Hello teacher and partner, my name is Vanessa Tapia from Talpo. So I'm going to start with my daily routine in my house, in my life. So as I told you, my name is Vanessa Tapia. I'm 30 years old, my god. So every day in my house is a challenge because I have a little baby. He's just 1 year old, and I live with my husband, and I'm pregnant. It's my second baby. It's a little girl. So for the reasons, wow, I'm very happy because in our planning into having a baby, always just thinking into have like a boys and a girl. So God is getting out that desire that our heart. So well, continue with my daily routine. So I'm going to detail and not an exactly routine because with a baby it's an uncertainty to have an exactly routines, but I'm trying. So every morning we get up at 6 a.m. o'clock. This is the time at which my baby gets up, so we have to start our routine. First, after going to the bath, I have to prepare the breakfast for all. Normally, my son eats his milk with bread and eggs. Other days, I prepare like arepas, patacones, empanadas, something like that. Yes, and after having breakfast, I have to bathe my baby and start to organize the house, clean the kitchens, do the laundry, wash the bedrooms, and around to 10 a.m. I start to prepare the food. So this is in the morning, no? So my husband has to go to work for the reasons I'm in charge of doing all the things of the house. So while I'm making the food that is around 10 a.m., my baby is playing with his toys and watching TV. Normally, we usually had a lunch at 12 p.m. In the afternoon, well, after that, in the afternoon, I try to make my baby asleep for 2 hours. For not all days are the same because sometimes my baby asleep in the morning or just at the afternoon. So when he falls asleep, I continue doing things in the house. For example, after having lunch, I clean again the kitchens, and I try to rest and think it's about what is going to eat at night or to prepare at night. Around 5 p.m., my husband is already at home, so we share a little, speak, and he played with my baby. And at 6 p.m., we already eat again. Totally different at lunch, but we eat. So at 7 p.m., it's the time for my baby go to the bed and sleep. And I spend like 1 hour with him, trying that he asleep. So this is like an hour around. When my baby is completely asleep, I'm the happiest woman in the world because I can watch TV, take a shower again, enjoy myself with my husband, and of course, this is the time at the night. This is the time that I have to prepare the work at the UNA to check, to review. So this is the times that I have not all the night, not all the day. I have the opportunity to study because I have to do different things. So as I can, I tried at night to review and to check my tasks at the university. So I want to say that I haven't exactly a routines, but not because with a baby it's very uncertainly. But from Monday to Monday we try to do the same in terms of establishes our times in our mid timelines, and of course clean the house and do the rest of the things that I mentioned before. On Saturday and Sunday, well, are days in which my husband doesn't have to work, doesn't have to go to work. So we plan to go out to visit our parents, to eat at a restaurant, carry to the baby at a park, or do some activities totally different that we did in the week. Yeah. So, but respecting our time lunch. So I don't specify, okay, I don't specify the time in which I take the shower, but so I try to take two baths in the day. The first, before I bathe my baby and prepare the food for the lunch, and the second is around 8 p.m. when my baby is sleeping at the night. I consider that this is all that I did every day of the week. There are days that it happens, some eventually, but in the ways we resolve. And well, I forgot to say that I don't work for obvious reasons, so I just take care of my family and me. So that's all, teacher. Thank you for all, and bye bye.